I was diagnosed with mitral valve regurgitation back in about 2011. The doctor didn't really talk too much about the surgery. He said, I will need heart surgery at some point in my life. I guess I wasn't too scared at the time or worried about it at the time. It was more of like a later problem, but that quickly approached.
The mitral valve should be considered as a door, and that door, as any door in your house, lives within the frame of a door. So mitral valve regurgitation is caused by fundamentally the door being too small, or the door panels are warped and they don't get together properly. So air also gets through the crevices of that malalignment, which is a valve that structurally is not doing what it's supposed to do.
Around 2023, I had my first procedure done. Through several tests afterwards, I found out that the problem was still persistent. So I wanted to get a second opinion, and I chose Valley and Dr. Grau because of the excellent reputation they have, and it ended up being one of the best decisions I made.
Joe is a very young man. He's 33 years old. I ordered an echocardiogram that demonstrated that one of the valves that we have in the heart that was repaired for Joe at that time was leaking quite significantly. In addition to the valve leaking, he had pain post-operatively and didn't feel really well.
He said over and over and over again that, he wants to make sure that my heart is good enough for the next 50 years and I won't have to worry about this problem again, and that my quality of life is what's foremost on his priority.
I said, okay, this valve is not doing the job that it's supposed to do. It is not going to do it. It is not going to get better with any medical pills that we can give you, and it requires a reoperation.
From there, it was a bunch more tests done, and he determined that he was able to do it. We went forward.
The technical success of an operation is determined by the surgical planning. Dr. Chang, Dr. Gupta, Dr. Isha Verma give me basically the step-by-step plan of what will happen if I do X, Y, and Z in the operating room. I executed it properly, I closed, I tested it, and it worked exactly as it was expected.
Couldn't have asked for a better doctor or a better surgeon, and I owe him a great deal. Now, it's about 5 months later, I'm feeling much, much better. So I'm running more, I'm being more active, I'm able to walk more. There's still some more to go, but I'm feeling great and I look a lot better and I'm doing better.
A young person should be able to exercise, enjoy, and that's what I see on Joy. So it makes me extraordinarily happy that this is not a worry in his head anymore.
It's important to have a doctor you can trust, and it's important that you have a system in place that you can trust and to get the care you need. I can tell you the journey is not easy, but the end result is worth it. And you just gotta make that first step. Once you do that and go through what you need to go through, by the end of it, you'll be feeling a lot better and a lot happier that you did.
Please get the intervention that you need. The rewards are extraordinary. This is an intervention that plays a role in your life for decades with a better quality of life.